This is Henry. He's a thief, and he's trying to break into this home. He looks around, and when the coast is clear, he picks up his crowbar and gets to work. But just as he cracks open the door and is about to enter the home, the alarm sounds and he runs off. But how does the alarm actually go off? Let's take a look inside. Here we see a door sensor consisting of a switch and a magnet. When the door opens, the magnet moves away from the switch, and without a magnetic field, the switch springs open and breaks the circuit. The control box detects the open circuit and triggers the alarm. When the door closes, the magnet returns beside the switch again, and the magnetic field pulls the switch close and completes the circuit. The control box sees the closed circuit and keeps the alarm off. And altogether, this simple principle helps secure your home. It's also somewhat similar to a Hall effect sensor, which uses electronics to detect magnetic fields instead of a simple switch. That was another engineering concept explained in LEGO. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.